Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restore deleted games in Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll find the search bar. Click on it and type in the name of the game you want to restore. This search function is incredibly useful because it lets you quickly find any game in Steam's massive library, even if you've previously uninstalled it or it's no longer showing in your games list. After typing in your game's name, you'll see search results appear below the bar. Go ahead and click on your game from the results that show up. This will take you directly to that game's store page within Steam, where you can see all the details about it. Now, here's where you can restore it. You'll notice a button that says either Play Now or Install. If you simply remove the game from your library view but didn't uninstall it, you'll see Play Now. However, if you fully uninstalled the game, the button will say Install instead. Click on the appropriate button to begin downloading or launching your game. Alternatively, there's another method you can use to access your games. In the upper left corner of the Steam window, click on Library. This is your personal collection of all the games you own on Steam. Once you're in the Library section, look at the left panel of the screen. Here you'll see a complete list of all your games, including ones you may have uninstalled. Simply click on one of your games from this list and then click Play if it's already installed. If you accidentally uninstalled the game and it's no longer on your system, you'll see an Install button instead. Click Install and Steam will begin downloading the game files back onto your computer. Now, here's an important feature that many users don't know about. Steam can actually save your game progress automatically in the cloud, which means if you uninstall and reinstall a game, you won't lose your saved data. To make sure this feature is working properly, right-click on your preferred game in your library. Then select Properties from the menu that appears. This opens up the game's settings panel. Look for the Steam Cloud option and make sure it's enabled. When Steam Cloud is turned on, your game saves are automatically backed up to Steam servers, protecting them even if you uninstall the game or switch computers. After enabling Steam Cloud, restart Steam completely by closing it and opening it again. Then launch your game. Steam should automatically download the cloud save if one exists for that particular game. This means you can pick up right where you left off without losing any progress. And there you have it, you've successfully restored your deleted game in Steam and ensured your saves are protected. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.